Everything's falling apart, but luckily I have got a printer that loves fixing my bad decisions. Welcome back to Srujan Not Found, where I print my way through life's problems. So my printer sits right next to the door, which means every time someone opens it, humidity just rushes in like it's invited. And as every 3D printer user knows, humidity and filament are a tragic love story. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಯಾರು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡೋರ್ನ. So I decided to make a proper filament dryer box, one that not only keeps the filament dry but also lets me print directly from it. For that I needed a few things: a smooth rolling setup with bearings, a connector, some PTFE tubing for the filament path, a design of 3D printed stand for the spool and hygrometer, and of course an airtight container to seal it all. In the future I might even add heating and proper humidity control. There is a small 3D printed box for silica gel beads, basically a mini dehumidifier that sits right inside the dryer. And I also added a hygrometer, so I can keep an eye on the humidity and the temperature inside. I could have just bought one for 4,000 rupees, but why do that when I can spend 300 rupees worth of filament and 2 days of my life? Now my filament stays dry, my print stays smooth, and finally, no more pop sounds from the nozzle. So this is my auxiliary lamp setup right now. Yeah, that's a thread. The original metal mount rusted away and I never got around to replacing it. So this was my engineering backup plan. I made it compact, strong and a bit overkill. But it's time to fix it properly. So I decided to design a new 3D printed mount that won't rust. No more rope, no more rust. Just print, mount, done. This was my organizing system, also known as the floor method. Time to upgrade. The idea was simple. I designed a multi-hook hanger for my caps and made another one for my bags. Now my room looks less like a lost and found counter. So I use these shoes almost every day for running, which means I can't keep them outside. If I do, they get dusty in a day, and if the sun hits them, the color fades faster. So I keep them inside my room. But the problem is, they take up too much space when placed side by side, and I can't even walk without kicking them. So I decided to make a small vertical rack, one shoe below and one above. Simple, compact, and perfect for quick access. Fits perfectly. Now my shoes have a better place to stay than I do. If you like overcomplicating simple problems, hit that like button. It tells YouTube that I need validation. Subscribe for more chaotic 3D printing projects.